This conference will now be recorded.
Hey guys, today we'll continue with the interview preparation. Hope in the last class we discussed about operators and all. Correct, right? So today we'll continue with the next topic, that is arrays. So what do you mean by array? What do you mean by array? Yeah, collection of many elements of same data type. Okay, so group of elements of same data type. Okay, group of elements of same data type. Same data type. Okay, fine, very good. Okay. Next, what and all you know about the arrays? Very good. Continuous memory will be allocated. Continuous memory allocation. Debot Jyoti, please mute. Please mute. Continuous memory allocation. Fine. Next. Next, what and all you know? Fast, quickly. First element with the lowest address. Yeah. First element with the lowest address from the last element with highest address. Fine. Next. Very good. Name of the array represents base address. Next. Stored in a stack that is based on how we are declaring that array. Okay. So if you declare the array globally or if you declare the array with the static keyword, then it will be allocated from data segment. Okay. Please remember. Fine. Shivarajappa, please mute. Yes, please mute. Very good. Size cannot be modified during runtime. Okay. Size cannot be altered once it is declared. Size cannot modify during runtime. Next, accessing of array element, yeah, 0 insert size -1, size -1. Fine. Next, next after that, yeah, that's the legal access region. Assume array size is 5, then indexes will be from 0 to 4. Okay, 0 to 4. Okay, fine. Default value, no. Okay, so default value that is not a 0. So we'll discuss that. No need to worry. Okay, we'll discuss that. Okay, fine. So these are the basic about the arrays. See next, how to declare the array. Data type, name, number of element. Correct, right? Variable size, very good. Variable size arrays cannot be initialized during declaration. Fine, very good. Fine. See now, so can you comment on this declaration? ARR is an array of 5 elements of type integer. Integer. How many bytes it will allocate the memory? So what will be the size of this ARR? Yeah. So memory allocation will be 20 bytes. Okay. So what values will be present in the array? What values will be present in the array? What are the 5 values? Garbage values. Okay. So 5 garbage values will be there. will be there. Okay, fine. See next, even we can initialize the array during declaration. We can give the values 10 comma 20 comma 50 comma 50. Fine. So now it will initialize the array elements. Now it will initialize all the array elements. Okay, yeah, very good, Tushar. Yeah, fine. See the next, int array of 5 equal to 10 comma 20. Okay, so now what will happen? So index 0 will be having what value? 10. Index 1 will be having 20. Index 2 comma index 3 comma index 4 will be initialized to 0. Index 2, 3, 4 will be initialized to 0. Okay. So during partial initialization, left out elements will be initialized to 0. Okay. During partial initialization, leftover values will be initialized to 0. Fine. Okay, next, int array equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30. Yeah, fine, correct. Okay. Now during declaration, if you are initializing the array, then no need to mention the size. No need to mention the size. Okay. Now memory will be allocated. Memory will be allocated based on what? Based on number of elements in the array. Based on number of values we are initializing. We are initializing. Okay, so in this case, how many bytes it will allocate? How many bytes it will allocate now? How many bytes it will allocate now? Yeah, here for this example, it will allocate 12 bytes. It will allocate 12 bytes of memory. How to find out that 12? How to find out that 12? Number of elements will be equal to what? Size of array divided by size of each element. Size of data type we can say. Size of data type we can say. Or even what we can say. Size of array divided by size of array of details. Yeah, correct. That is also possible. Okay, that is also possible. Okay. See next, int array. So this one will give what? This one will give error. Okay, so please remember during declaration, either we need to mention the size or we have to initialize the array. We have to initialize the array. Okay, during declaration, either size is not mentioned, or what we have to do, we have to do the initialization. Anyone is must. Okay, anyone is must. See next, int size equal to 5, int array of size equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, so here what will happen in this case? It will throw the error. Okay, so why? Yeah, if array dimension is a variable, then we cannot initialize that array during declaration. Cannot initialize that array during declaration. Okay, during declaration. Understood everybody? Clear with these things? Yeah. So, but we can declare the array. We can declare the array. Int array of size. It will work fine. It will work fine. Clear everybody? Clear with these things? Understood everybody? Any doubt? Fine. See next. Int a of 3 equal to comma 2 comma 3. Int b of 3. See next. B equal to a. Is it possible? This one also will give error. Okay. We cannot copy the content of one array to another array. Yeah, very good. Then how to copy? How to copy? Yeah, we have to copy using loop. Copy the elements of array using loop. So for loop I equal to 0, I less than size, I plus plus. Okay, so b of I equal to a of I. Okay, so this is how to copy the content of one array to another array. Understood everybody? Clear? You cannot copy content of one array to another array using assignment operator. Then how to copy? It has to be copy element by element using loops. Okay, using loops. Okay, fine. See next, let's try to write one simple program to find out the average of array elements. Okay, so this kind of questions may be asked in the interview. Okay, so simple. So I will assign the size as 5. I will declare. Next, printf, enter the array elements. Let me put one simple for loop. Yes, be careful with the variables, whatever you are using. Okay, so whenever you are using the variables, You have to declare the variables. Okay, don't forget. Next, address of array of I. The address of array of I. See next step, same like that. Sum equal to sum plus array of I. Okay, sum equal to sum plus array of I. Next, average equal to sum divided by size. Okay, printf average equal to percentage f. Okay, so like this simple one. So let me declare the variables. Sum equal to 0. Next, float average. Will this program gives the output expected output? Is this program gives the expected output? Hmm? Hmm? Is this fine? Yes, please give the response. Fine, very good, very good. Sum needs to be typecasted because what's the data type of sum? Sum is an integer value, size is also integer value. Integer divided by integer, we will get integer only. So we need to typecast to float. That's the one thing. Another thing somebody told. Okay, so we can reduce this one. Okay, we can. Size is variable. What's the problem? Divya Jyoti, size is variable. What's the problem? So we can do this here only. After reading the element only, we can do so that we can optimize this one. Okay, right. Okay, fine, fine, no problem. This is also enough. After reading the values, immediately we can find out the sum. We can find out the sum. It is also possible. You understood everybody clear with these things? Any doubt? Anybody any doubt? Anybody having any doubt? Fine. See next. Next. Simple program. Quickly. Can you give the code for reverse the elements of the array? Reverse the elements of the array. Can you tell the logic? Reverse reverse the elements of the array. No, no, no. No, you need to reverse the array elements. Please remember, you need to reverse the array elements. Means what? If I enter 10, 20, 30, 40, if I enter 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, so value should be 50, 40, 30, 20, and 10. Yeah, yeah, very good, very good, very good, very good. Fine, fine. So let me remove this one. It's simple only. Simple logic only. Okay, so what I'm doing here, see now, this program, okay, in this program, so I'm taking two indexes. We can say that two pointers. Okay, two pointers. One pointer pointing to the first element, another pointer pointing to the last element. Okay, see now, if the elements are like this, 10, 20, 30, 40, if the element I enter. So I'm taking one index that is at I, another index that is at last j. Okay, I and j. So what I'm doing? So temp equal to array of I. So I'm declaring one temporary variable. In that I'm taking array of I. 10 I'm taking to there. Next array of I equal to array of j. Array of j is what? That is 50. 50 I'm storing into array of I. So 50. So it will come here. Okay, so 50, 20, 30, 40. Next array of j equal to temp. Temp is what? Temp is array of I. Array of I was what? That is 10. This is what I am doing. Okay. So after that, what I am doing? So I plus plus. So I will point to here. I will point to here. J minus minus. J will point to here. J will point to here. Fine. So I less than j. So I less than j. Condition true. So again, what I am doing? Again, same thing. I am swapping the values. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Next, I am incrementing I. I am decrementing j. So both are pointing to the same thing. So I less than j, I less than j, condition false. Both are same. It will come out. Once it comes out, you can observe initial values will be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Once it is coming out of this for loop, values will be 50, 40, 30, 20, and 10. Is that fine? Everybody cleared the simple logic to reverse the elements of the array. Understood everybody? Not this one. Any doubt? Please note down if you want. Okay, fine, fine. Okay, some more programs on the arrays we will do using functions. Okay, we will do using functions. Okay, so inline function means, okay, so it is something like this. Listen carefully, Chaitra. See now, listen carefully. So inline functions in the sense, inline function in the sense. So whenever there is a function call in the normal functions, what will happen in the normal function? Control will go to the function definition. It will execute this one. Again, control will come back where it was called. Correct, right? You already know this one. In the normal functions, what will happen whenever there is a function call? Control will go to this function definition 132 line number. It will execute whatever is there. In control will come back where it was called. Okay, so that is what the normal function. So if I write a function with inline, okay, which is similar to macros only. So what will happen when we write the macros? What will happen when we write the macros? Fast quickly. What will happen when we write the macros? Macros. Fast. Yeah, very good. Fine. Macros will be replaced. It will substitute during the time of which time? Macros will be substituted during pre-processing stage. Very good. Okay, macros will be substituted during the time of pre-processing. If you write the inline function, which is similar to macros only, what will happen? Here, function call is there. So whatever we have written inside the function definition, it will be substituted during the compilation stage. Okay, during compiling stage. Okay, inline functions will be substituted in the stage of compilation. So there is no context switching for the inline function. So many restrictions will be there for inline function. Means what? Inline function should not contain any recursive function. Loops will not be there. So like that, so many restrictions are there. But remember, inline function means what will happen, which is similar to macros. Macro replacement will be done during the time of pre-processing. Inline function substitution will be done during the time of compilation. Okay, so this code, whatever we have written inside the definition, it will be substituted here. So there is no context switching. There's no context switching. Understood? Cleared? Cleared with this one? Okay, please remember, which is similar to macros only. But what will happen during the time of compilation? It will be substituted. Fine. Yeah. Fine. So next step we will go for the function. So what I mean by function? Function means what? By using inline function, I told right. Whenever there is a function called context switching will be there. Context switching means there will be a jump. Okay, there will be a jump from here to here. Again, once it is finished, again control will come back. Again, there is a jump to the function call where you call the function, control will come back. To avoid that jump, we can write the inline function. Context switching will not be there. Context switching, it is one, what we can say, disadvantage of function. Okay, context switching is one disadvantage of function. Okay, there are jump statements means it will take some time. Okay, jump instructions will be there whenever we it generated the assembly code, there is the assembly instruction for the jump. Okay, so if it has to do that jump means it requires some machine cycles. It's taking more cycle means performance will be yielded. Okay, so to avoid that, we can write the inline function so that compiler will decide whether it has to substitute or it has to call. Okay, so means what? Whenever there is a confusion for you, okay, whenever there is a confusion for you, whether you have to go with the macros or you have to go with the functions. Okay, there are so many difference between functions and macros. If you have a confusion, write the inline function. Let's compiler will decide whether it has to replace the thing or it has to call the things. Okay, so that's the advantage of inline function. We will discuss that one, Chaitra. So we'll discuss later. No need to worry. We will discuss that one. Okay, structure, coding, everything we will discuss later. No need to worry. Okay, remember. Okay, don't worry. Fine. So let's discuss about the function. So what do I mean by function? What do I mean by function? A collection of statements. That's all. Only collection of statement. A group of statement. That's all. Yeah, used for specific task. Okay. Set of instruction that performs a specific task. Set of instruction that performs a specific task. Specific task. Okay, fine. So functions, yeah, takes the input. It will do the operation, perform some operation. Then it will give the result. Then it will give results. Okay, fine. How to write the functions in C? How to write functions in C? What and all will be present in functions in C? How to write functions in C? Return type, function parameter, function in parameter. Okay. Yeah, three things will be. One is function declaration, function declaration, or even we can say it as function signature, or even we can say it as function prototype. A prototype. What is this declaration? What it will tell? What is this declaration? What this one will do? First quickly. Function declaration. What this one will tell? Number of input. Yeah. Function declaration will tell number of inputs and its type and what it will tell, and it will tell type of output. Okay, type of output. Okay, so it is just a single line code. Okay, so return type, return data type, name of the function, name of the function. Next, parameter type, parameter type, and comma any number of parameters you can have. Parameter type 2. So it will be ended with semicolon. Okay, it will be ended with semicolon. Okay, simple example int foo int x. Okay, or even you can write like this also int foo int. Okay, so writing the variable name in the function declaration, it is up to the programmer. If you want, you can write, else you can reject the prompt. Okay, so like this you can do int add int x comma int y. Okay, so like this you can do. Okay, it is also possible. Or int is alpha. So it will take one character ch. It is also possible. Okay, so float average. Assume average of two integers. Int comma int. It is also possible. These are the valid function declarations. Okay, these are the valid function declaration. Give the proper name. Give the proper name for the declarations functions. Okay, fine. See the second one, function definition. Next one is function definition. Function definition. Okay, see, yeah. Function definition is what? It is actual body of the function, actual body or operation or logic, or we can say it as it will perform specific task. No? The task has to be written inside the definition. Okay, inside the definition. Okay, fine. So let me write one simple example. Directly I will write the example. Int foo index. Here writing the name of the variable, it is must. Next s equal to 0, s equal to x plus 1, return yes. So like this you can do. Let me write one more simple definition. Float average index comma interval. So you can declare one variable float a equal to average, right? Average could be a real value x divided by y. So return a. So this is also possible. Okay, this is also possible. Yeah, number of arguments should exactly match the number of arguments in the function. Correct, correct, correct. Okay, so whatever we are writing the arguments in function call, function definition, declaration, everything, it should match. Okay, it should match. Understood everybody? Clear? Clear with this one? Please give the response. Understood everybody? Function call or invoke. Okay. See now, only declaration and definition will not perform any task. Okay, now it is just a dummy code. If you want to perform the task, whatever you have written, inside the function definition, if you want to perform this task or if you want to perform this task, what you need to do, you need to call the function. Okay, something like sum equal to. Please remember, in the function call, just you need to call the function and you have to pass the argument. Okay, you need to pass the argument. Okay, so like this, or we are finding out the average average equal to, let's call the function average, pass two values. Okay, 10 comma 13, 10 comma 13. Okay, so wait for a second. This has to be typecast to float. Divided by 2. Okay, fine. So like this, you need to call the function by name of the function and you need to pass the arguments. Here, no need to mention the data type. Data type you should not mention. Okay, you should not mention the data type in the function call. In the function call, you should not mention data type. Okay, so let me write one full program. Next, declaration. So this is one simple program. Okay, this is one simple program with function. Okay, so example. Okay, simple program with one simple function. Okay, simple function. Okay, nothing complex. Okay, fine. See next what will happen. Okay, so here 10 we are passing. 10 is called as what? 10 is called as what? No, no, no. 10 is actual parameter. Yeah, we are collecting in x. X is what? X is formal parameter. Okay, so whatever we are passing the argument in the function call, that is actual argument. Whatever we are collecting in the function definition, that is formal parameter. So that is formal parameter. One is actual argument, another one is formal argument. Okay. So what will happen whenever there is a function call? In which line we are doing function call? Line number 170. Okay. So whenever there is a function call, whenever there is a function call, what will happen? Yeah, stack frame will be created. I will come to that stack frame later. Okay, once we started with the memory segment, we'll discuss about that stack frame. Okay, so whenever there's a function call, control will go to function definition. Yeah, context switching will be the zipper. Yeah, control will go to function definition. Okay, then it will execute. It will execute whatever there in the function definition. Again, control will come back where it was called. Again, control will come back where it was called. Where it was called. Okay, so that one is called as what? That is called as context switching. That is called as context switching. Whenever there is a function call, control will go to function definition It will execute the code whatever present inside the function definition. Again, control will come back where it was called. Okay, so this is called as what? Context switching. Okay, this is called as context switching. Understood everybody? Cleared with this one? Okay, fine. See next, let's do one program. Write a program, reverse the number. Okay, write a program to reverse the number. Okay, write a program to reverse the number. Okay, so how to do this one? So let me write the function, reverse function. For that function, I'll pass the number. Okay, next, let me write the main. Next, int reverse, int number. Fine. So I will write the main. Meantime, write the reverse function. Write the logic for reversing the number. Quickly write the logic. Huh. Yeah, fine. What's that logic? While num not equal to 0. While num not equal to 0, what we need to do? Let's take the remainder. Remainder equal to num modulus 10. So let me declare one variable int remainder comma yes. Yes, initially it will be 0. Okay, REB, fine, fine. REB is also fine. So return yes. Okay. Next, what we need to do? S equal to S multiplied by 10 plus remainder. Okay, next, num equal to num divided by 10. Okay, num divided by 10. Okay, so fine. How this program will execute? Let's take the value num equal to. Okay, let's take one simple value. Okay, num equal to 689. Okay, 689. Okay, fine. See the first one, 689 modulus of 10. What will be the value? 689 modulus of 10. Result is 9. Okay. So what is yes? Initially yes is what? 0, right? 0 multiplied by 10 plus 9. So final result will be 9. Next, after that, what we are doing? After that, num divided by 10. 689 divided by 10. What's the value? 689 divided by 10. 689 divided by 10. What's the value? 686. 68. Fine. That's the first step. Second one, 68 modulus of 10. That is 8. Okay, that is 8. Now, S value is what? S value is 9. 9 multiplied by 10 plus 8. Okay. So 9 multiplied by 10, 90, 90 plus 8, 98. Okay, 98. Next, what is that? 68 divided by 10. 68 divided by 10, what's the value? That is 6. Fine. So next step, 6 modulus 10. 6 modulus 10, that is 6. Next step, S value is 98. 98 multiplied by 10 plus 6. 980, 980 plus 6, 986. Next, 6 divided by 10, value is what? 6 divided by 10 value is 0. Okay, 0. So while 0 not equal to 0, condition is false. So what will be the reversed number? The reversed number is what? 986, 689, 986. Okay. So there is one small mistake in this program. Quickly, can you rectify the problem? Quickly, can you rectify the problem? There's a small mistake. There's a small mistake. Yeah, very good. That is semicolon. Very good. Okay, that is semicolon. Okay, so if we put the semicolon, what will happen? Control will be there in the same line till the condition is true. Okay, num value initially it is what 689. 689 not equal to 0, true. So every time 689 will be compared with 0, it will become an infinite loop. So it will not check for the other values. It will not check for the other values. Understood everybody? Clear? Clear with this program? Okay. So this kind of questions only will be asked in the interview. Okay. Fine. See the next one. Write a program to check given number is odd or even. A given number is odd or even. Okay. So how to do that one? Simple program only. How to check whether the number is odd or even. Modulus 2. Very good. Okay. See now. Odd or even of none equal to 0. Printf number is even. Else number is odd. Odd or even. Okay. So num modulus 2. Very good. If num modulus 2 equal to 0. So return 0. Else return 1. Else return 1. Okay. So like this also you can. Okay. See now num modulus 2 equal to 0. It will return 0. Very good. I'll come to that. Return 0. 0 will be returned. 0 equal to 0. Condition to number is even. Okay. So modulus 2 result is 0 means it is even number. Let's take the value 25. Let's take the value 25. 25. So 25 modulus 2 result is 1. 1 equal to 0 false, return 1. So 1 will be returned to here. 1 equal to 0 false, number is odd. Fine. 25 is odd number. 25 is odd number. Okay, so like this you can do. This is one logic. Another logic. This much is also enough. Num modulus 2. Okay, so this much is also enough. Only one line code. This is also enough. So only one line code. This is also enough. It is also enough. Okay, understood everybody? Cleared with these things? Okay, fine. Here also, what you can do. So one more method. For even equal to 0 question mark ternary operator. Just one line code equal to 0. Number is even. Else number is odd. Okay, else number is odd. Okay, so this is also possible. This is also possible. Only one line code instead of writing this much. You can just write a single line code. Understood everybody? Clear? Cleared everybody? Okay, fine. See next, whenever there is a function call, what will happen? Whenever there is a function call, what will happen? Stack frame will be created, correct, right? Whenever there is a function call, stack frame will be created. It will be created. So the stack frame contains what? Three things. Local variables, parameter list, next return address. So local variable means what? What do you mean by local variable? That's all. Very good. Variables declared inside the function without any storage specifier. Let me copy the same thing. Variables declared inside the function without any storage specifier. Okay, without any storage class. Yeah, correct, correct. Variables declared without any storage class. That is local variable. So, what do you mean by parameter list? What do you mean by parameter list? Variables collected in the function definition. The variable whatever we are collected in the function definition. Argument passed we have to collect. No, that is parameter list. What do you mean by return address? What do you mean by return? What do you mean by return address? First, where to go back after the function definition. Address where to go back after function definition. After function definition. Calling then, yeah, control should go back. Yeah. Say told whenever there is a function call, context which will be there. Control will go to function definition. It will execute whatever there is in the function definition. Again, control will go back where it was called. It should know that point. Correct, right? It should know that point. That is what called as return address. Okay, that is what called as return address. Okay, yeah, very good, very good. Each stack frame must contain at least return address. Very good. Each stack frame must contain at least return address. Okay, each stack frame must contain at least return address. Okay, return address should be there. Okay, fine. See the program. Let's take this program. Let me take this program. I will erase the things. For this program, so let me write the main stack frame, main stack. So what are the local variables for the main? Local variables for the main. Yeah, that is none. And none is the local variable. Fine. So what are the parameters? parameter for the main. I'm asking about main, no parameter. So return address, yes, everywhere return address will be there. Okay, next, odd even stack frame. Odd even stack frame. Okay, so what are the local variables for odd even function? Is there any local variable? No local variable. What are the parameters for that odd even? Yeah, that is none. Okay, return address, yes, it will be there. Okay, return address, it will be there. It's a simple stack frame for the program, whatever we have written. Okay, whatever we have written. Understood? Everybody clear with these things? Clear, everybody? Fine. See next.
एक ऑनलाइन टेस्ट, एक टेक्निकल, एक मैनेजर टेस्ट।
Please mute. Please mute. Yeah. Wait. Correct. Very good. Correct. Let me explain the same thing with some simple program. Okay. That's what I meant. Very good. So what will be the output of this program? What is happening in this program? Error. Okay. Why error? Somebody told error. Sujit Kumar, why error? Can you tell me why error first? Huh. What will be the output? What will correct. See now, what will happen in this case? Before that, what it will print? It will print the value 10. After that, there is a function call. So in this case, num, that is main stack frame, that is num value, that is 10. Fine. The num value, that is 10. Fine. See now, modify function. So num value we are collecting, that is, sorry, num value we are collecting. So that one is also 10. So inside the function, what we are doing? Inside the function, 10 plus 1 we are doing, and we are assigning 11 to 4, 11 to none, 11 to none. Fine. After that, what will happen to the stack frame? What will happen to the stack frame? So num value will be what? It will be assigned with 11. So after the function call, so here it will delete the stack frame. It will delete the stack frame. Means what? Whatever the memory allocated for that num, okay, num. So that value, that is 11. So this one will be deleted. Okay, this one will be deleted. 11, whatever we assign inside the modifier, that one will be deleted. This entire stack frame will be deleted. Okay. So after modification, what will be the num? What will be the num? What will be the num value? Yeah, now also it is 10 only. Okay, now also it is 10 only. Okay, so this one is called as what? This one is called as what? Pass by value method. Okay, we are not collecting. Yeah, fine. That's the one. Pass by value method. What will happen? Actual value will be copied to the formal parameter of the function. Formal parameter of the function. Next, changes made to the formal parameter will not affect the actual parameter. So another thing, using pass by value method, we cannot return more than one value from the function. Okay, we cannot return more than one value from the function. Okay, so please remember this point. Okay, these 3 points. Pass by value method, what will happen? Actual value will be copied to the formal parameter of the function. Whatever the changes we make to the formal parameter will not affect the actual argument. Okay, first thing. Second thing, yeah, unique memory, different memory only. Okay, so return 10 comma 20. What will happen? What will happen? Here it will return 20. Okay, here it will return 20 only. Okay, 20 only. Okay, so reason is what? Comma operator, because of comma operator. Okay, first thing, return 10, return 20. Okay, so what will happen now? This statement will never execute. This statement will never execute. Understood everybody? Clear? Here only it will stop. Okay, so terminate the function by returning the value 1. Sorry, 10. Okay, so second statement, whatever the statement we will write after return will never execute. Whatever the statement we will write after return will never execute. Understood everybody? Clear with these things? Fine. See next. Recursive function. What do you mean by recursive function? Yeah, function calling itself. Is called as recursive function. How to write the recursive function? Yeah, first step is writing the base case. Second step is what? Recursive case. Recursive case. Recursive case means calling function. Calling function again and again. Okay. So recursive case, base case. Base case means termination case. Termination case. When to stop the function or till when need to call the function. Okay, till when need to call the function. Okay. So if you don't write the base case, what will happen? No, no, no. Yeah, very good. Stack overflow will happen. Okay, if you don't write the base case, what will happen? Stack overflow will happen. Okay, so in this code, what will happen? Stack frame will be creating for the function continuously. Stack frame will be creating for the function continuously. Okay, at some point of time, available stack memory will be over and it will lead to stack overflow. Correct, right? Correct, no. Some point of time, available stack memory will get over. Then it will lead to stack overflow. Stack overflow. So here what we will get? We will get segmentation fault. Okay, segmentation fault. Understood everybody? Clear with this point? Fine. So next, let's write the program to find out factorial of a given number. Factorial of 3 is percentage d. Correct, right? Correct, no? Fine. So what will happen here first time num value that is 3. Okay. So 3 less than or equal to 1. It is false. So control will comes to here. So here what will happen? Return 3 multiplied by factorial of 3 minus 1. So that is what 3 multiplied by factorial of 2. Factorial of 2. Okay, fine. So second time, num value will be, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay. Second time, 2 less than or equal to 1. Again, it is false. Again, what will happen? Next time, return to 2 multiplied by factorial of 2 minus 1. So return 2 multiplied by factorial of 2 minus 1, that is 1. If we next again call the same function, num value equal to 1. So 1 less than or equal to 1, condition true. Condition true means return 1. Okay, so 1 will return to where? So 1 will return to where you call the function. So 1 will return to here. Okay, so 1 will come here. So that's why return 2 multiplied by 1, that is return to. So 2 will be returned to where? 2 will be returned to here. Okay, so return 3 multiplied by 2. So what will happen here? Return 6. 6 will be returned to where you call the function. You are calling the function here. 6 will be returned to here. So factorial of 3 is final result will be 6. Final result will be 6. You understood everybody? Clear? Clear with these things? Okay, that's the one thing. Another thing, okay, so recursive functions will take more memory compared to iteration. Okay, so reason is what? Yeah, reason is what? Because of successive creation of stack frame. Recursion will take more memory compared to iteration. Okay, so that's why space complexity is more. Space complexity is more in recursion. More in recursion. Understood everybody clear with these things? Three stack frames created. Yeah. Three stack frames. I don't know. Num equal to 3. That is one stack frame. 2, one more stack frame. 1, one more stack frame. Yeah, time it will reduce that time. Yeah, reduce that time. Time complexity will be less because less operations are there, but more memory because of successive creations of stack frame. Recursion is faster than loop function. Yeah, correct. Understood everybody clear with these things. Fine. So let me write one simple program. What will be the output of this program? Hmm? No, no, hmm? No. Why infinite? Why infinite, Vishal? It's not infinite, please remember. No infinite here. No. See here, simple thing. See. So num minus minus. The num minus minus means num value we are passing 5. So 5 minus minus. So first time 5 minus minus means it is 5 only. Okay. It is 5 only. 5 not equal to 0, condition true. When it go inside, so it has to print the value. 5 minus minus with it will become 4. So print of 4. Okay. So output will be 4. 4 got printed. Again we are calling the function. Remember, one more printf is function. One more printf function is pending. So printf 4, it will call the function by passing the value 4. So one more printf is at the end, it is pending. It has to print the value. So that value is what? So value need to be printed is 4 only. Okay, but 4 immediately it will not print. Second time, again, 4 minus minus not equal to 0, condition true. 4 minus minus, that is 4 only. So when it go inside, it will become 3. So 3 got printed. Next, it will call the function foo3. So one printf is pending. This last printf is pending. It will not print. So it will be there. Okay. Same like that. So 3 minus minus, it is 3. 3 minus minus we did. So it has to print the value 2. Call the function 2. One printf is pending. It has to print the value 2. Fine. Next time. So 2 minus minus, it is 2. 2 minus minus would be, it has to print the value 1. So 1 it will print. Call the function 1. So one printf is pending. So it has to print the value 1. Fine. Next to 1 minus minus. So 1 minus minus, that is 1. 1 minus minus will it has to print the value 0. It will call the function 0. One printf is pending. The value 0. Fine. See next. Listen carefully everybody. 0 minus minus, that is 0. 0 not equal to 0. 0 not equal to 0. Condition false. Condition false means what? It will not do this much. Means what? It will not print the value. It will not call the function. So directly it will execute this printf. 0 minus minus with it. 0 minus minus means it is minus 1. So minus 1 it will print 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. After 0, what it will print? After 0, so what it will print? It will print minus 1. Next to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It will print. This one will be the output. This one will be the output. Understood everybody? Clear? Clear with this program? New line. Yeah, everything will be printed in new line only. Just for Understanding purpose, I wrote everything in a single line. All the things, 4 will print in one line, next line 3, next line 2, next line 1, next line 0. After printing 0, so else part like this it will print. Okay, so like this it will print. Understood everybody? Cleared with these things? Any doubt? Cleared everybody? So I'll stop the recording.